Hi guys, this is Brittany. I am here also live on Patreon doing a full binge watch reaction. Patrons get to come in and watch me live binge watch Game of Thrones because it was a promise I made to them and I want to uphold that promise. We're not requiring you to be a patron. You don't have to be one if you don't want one because you're still getting these reactions that everyone voted on for the best. So for Season 3, Game of Thrones, you wanted me to react to Episode 8, 9, and 10. I'm doing 8 by myself, and then I'll be doing 9 and 10 with Alex. So this is Game of Thrones, Season 3, Episode 8, Second Sons. So far, I am loving Season 3 so much more. My King of the North is going forward. What else? Jaime, I'm surprisingly liking him with Brienne. It's really weird. I almost called him Kit Harington. I ship Jon Snow with Ingrid, and so I just love the show so much. I'm so happy. So we're jumping into Season 3, Episode 8 right now.
To my circumstances, I have to marry him.
I didn't ask for this marriage. I will marry Sansa Stark and do my duty by her. My feelings for you have not changed.
You like to meet?
No. I'm gone.
Oh man, the House Arya. And here we go. He's gonna hear you.
I'll give you one try, girl.
Knew it.
The Queen.
Fuck Joffrey. Fuck the Queen. That's the Red Fork. I'll just make it there in time for the wedding.
Is this the red wedding or the purple wedding? Is this what one of the weddings are? What are they? I have no fucking clue why all the weddings are named after colors. Like, is there a blue wedding, a green wedding, is there a yellow wedding? I have no fucking clue.
Titan's bastard.
Is he more Titan or bastard?
The colors become obvious after the weddings?
They all are.
Okay.
She lays my ass like she was born to do. After the battle, maybe we'll all share you.
I hate him.
I'm looking for you when this is over.
Sir Barristan, when it comes to battle, kill that one first.
Gladly, Your Grace.
Yeah, kill that one first. Welcome, you're about to meet your psycho fucking uncle. Gendry's probably so fucking confused, I would be too.
What do you mean to do it? Both. If it needs to be done, do it, not torture the boy.
Oh shit, it's killing him. Fuck.
Me.
Fuck me.
I'm sorry about your son. I had a chance to tell you before.
Oh wow, you're finally apologizing for that?
Well then. Why should I spare the son of some tavern slut?
Oh, fuck you,
Bedding
Stannis.
one drunken night? I saw a vision in the flames.
Enough the fucking vision in the
Great
flames.
battle in the snow.
Duh.
I saw it.
I love how Sansa keeps the doll now.
Once they slaughtered every man, woman, and child,
Cersei.
put to the sword. Try again, I'll have you strangled in your sleep.
Fuck you, Cersei. Oh shit, is this the wedding?
What are you doing?
Your father's gone. As the father of the realm, it is my duty to give you away to your husband.
Oh, this is so fucking weird. Is this the red wedding? It's so eerily quiet. Why'd you take away his stool, man? Come on.
We now cloak the bride and...
This is bad. Something bad happens, right? For the red wedding? Is this the red wedding? I don't know, but y'all wanted me to react to this.
You only need a tongue to tell the difference.
What is this bitch?
Go on, have some more.
The next day in the tavern.
Your father chose your mother because the Lord of Light willed it. He willed it so you could be here right now.
Fuck this. Oh, Lord of Light bullshit. What are you doing?
You only need eyes to see.
Well, I have eyes and I'm seeing that you're a fucking...
Death is coming for everyone and everything. The dark.
Get away!
What is that? Are we killing this bitch yet or what? Oh crap, now he has to eat it, huh? What is about to happen?
Stay.
I have no fucking clue what's about to...
No one's told me
Nobody cares.
what your father once told you.
Shut the fuck up, Cersei! Don't talk to the Iron Fist that way.
It doesn't really matter which Lannister puts the baby into you. Maybe I'll pay you a visit tonight after my uncle passes out. How'd you like that?
Kill
I
him.
wouldn't. That's alright. Sir Meryn and Sir Loras will hold you down. Time for the bedding ceremony.
There will be no bedding ceremony.
You respect what it will be if I command it.
Then you'll be fucking your own bride with a wooden cock.
What did you say?
Oh shit.
What did you say?
Just being a man and like, don't you agree? Come, I'll tell you all about it. Put you in the mood.
Oh shit, Sansa. Are they really gonna do this? Did he just pass out? Oh. Was that the red wedding? I don't get it. It must have been the blue wedding because nothing really happened. Whoa!
Why?
We had philosophical differences.
Oh, I get it. To be said, they're like, what was she looking for? Oh. Too many crows. What's with the fucking crows?
Just want to look.
Please be back. What? Oh shit, White Walkers.
It's come for the baby.
Oh fuck. found like the treasure. It kills the White Walkers. Oh, I love it. I love Sam. I'm so happy. That was okay. I'm happy. Dragon glass. Oh, ooh, you know who can make dragon glass? Daenerys' dragons. So that was season 3, episode 8. Oh fuck, 7 Sons? I'm sorry. Whoops. Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next episode.